foundry. Starting from scratch, we see scrap steel being charged into an electric furnace. The heat is melted, refined, and tapped into a ladle. An overhead crane moves the ladle to the floor where a prepared mold is poured. After proper cooling, the mold is opened, and here we see the casting, a driving wheel in the rough. After the grinding and machining, we next see the wheel and its mate mounted on the axle with the tires applied. All driving wheel axles of 116 of the road's modern locomotives are fitted with roller bearings. In addition to the driving journals, this class locomotive has roller bearings on all crank pins, crosshead pins, valve gear pins, and the journals of the engine truck, trailing truck, and tender truck wheels. The roller bearing application, plus cast steel engine bed and complete mechanical and pressure lubrication, result in dependable performance, high availability, and low maintenance cost. With an average yield strength of more than twice that of ordinary carbon steel. The rods are next machined, polished, and plated to the proper shape for boiler shell courses. Following the rolling, the courses are placed in a normalizing furnace to relieve all internal stresses. The courses are sandblasted to remove the scale. Next, the shell courses are fitted together prior to riveting the seams. For the heavy riveting involved, no hand job will suffice, so the shell is picked up and placed on end in the so-called bull riveter. The ram of this machine is activated with hydraulic pressure and is carefully controlled between narrow limits to ensure the proper driving pressure. The fabrication of the all-welded firebox is being completed. It is placed in position in the boiler. 4,400 stay bolts are required to attach it to the outside shell or wrapper sheets. The application of the stay bolts, together with the flues, completes the boiler. The boiler and engine bed as a unit and move it in position over the driving and truck wheels. The clearance between the axle housing and the engine bed pedestals is only 12/1000 of an inch, which explains the extreme care being taken in lowering the engine to working position on the wheels. Completed, our new baby, Engine 602, rolls out of the shop on her way to the roundhouse for service. She will pull the Pocahontas and the Cavalier crack passenger trains between Norfolk, Virginia, and Cincinnati and Columbus, Ohio.